Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to disable the Windows key while gaming. This can help prevent accidentally opening the Start menu when you press the Windows key during gameplay. So let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Store on your computer. In the search bar, type Power Toys. Open Microsoft Power Toys and click Install. Once the installation is complete, open the app. From the left side, click on Keyboard Manager. Turn on Enable Keyboard Manager if it is not already enabled. Then click Open Editor. Now click Add New Remapping. In the Trigger section, select Key or Shortcut. Click Press to start recording keys and then press the Windows key on your keyboard. Now go to the Actions section. Click the drop-down menu and select Disable Key or Shortcut. Then click Save. The Windows key is now disabled and will no longer interrupt your games. If you ever want to restore it, open Microsoft Power Toys again. Go to Keyboard Manager and click Open Editor. Click the three dots next to the Windows key remapping. Then click Delete and save the changes. Your Windows key will now work normally again. So this is how you can disable the Windows key while gaming. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.